In this tutorial, I would like to present the Give Feedback feature of Percorso. Anyone can offer feedback to a seminarian. There are three primary forms of feedback. By going to the appropriate website, which is percorso.app/give-feedback / the name of the seminarian, first and last name, anyone can offer three types of feedback: general feedback, preaching feedback, or teaching feedback. I recommend seminarians advertising this feature in their parish bulletin or making this available to anyone who might be able to offer them feedback on their ministry. For example, in the general feedback form, a person who desires to offer feedback to the seminarian first gives their background information, where they observed the seminarian, what was the date and time, what was the main focus of this feedback, and then any type of narrative feedback. They click the security feature and then submit. In terms of preaching feedback, there are several questions that were related to this type of feedback. Again, background information, looking at the primary message of the preaching. Was there a helpful image or idea that was offered? What parts of the preaching didn't work or felt forced or needed further development? And some of the technical aspects of the preaching, such as pace, volume, tone, word choice, or gestures. In addition, there's a 5-star ranking system regarding the preaching staying focused on Christ, teaching about the faith, desiring a greater intimacy with God, and connection with Scripture in daily life. Once again, a security function, and the person can click Submit. Lastly, the teaching feedback. Again, different questions related to each form of feedback. Background information of the person who's offering the feedback, and then several star ratings in terms of comfort, preparation, ability to ask age-appropriate questions, classroom management, guiding the students in prayer, responding to questions, engaging the students, and the quality of the lesson plan in general. Teaching techniques can be selected here in addition to general narrative comments about the lesson, and that information can be submitted. All feedback is first viewed by the formation advisor and then can be submitted for the student to be able to reflect upon.